Hello, to set up Face Unlock on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into your settings, then scroll down until you find Security and Privacy, and go into Biometrics. Right here you have face recognition, and going here you have to unlock your phone, and then you press Continue. And to register your face, you simply have to put your face in this circle, and your face will be scanned automatically. Alright, just like that. It took like maybe 5 seconds to scan my face. And so right now we have face, and we have to apply the face unlock option. And I'm not sure, but also we probably should have go into lock screen, and right here in the screen lock type you have to unlock your phone and use biometrics as the screen lock type, and so we have to select the face one, and so like that we set up face unlock on Samsung Galaxy A06. Thank you for watching.